In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import accounts and contacts with Data Import Wizard, Salesforce support. We'll walk through using Salesforce's built-in Data Import Wizard to bring in your accounts and contacts from a CSV file, and I'll share a few tips to help your import run smoothly. First, log into Salesforce and head to your homepage. Open the gear icon and choose Setup. If you see an option labeled Open Advanced Setup, click it to get to the full setup experience. Once you're there, use the quick find search box and type Data Import. Select Data Import Wizard from the results to open the tool. On the Wizard landing page, click Import My Data, then click Start to Begin. You'll be asked what you want to import. Choose either accounts or contacts, depending on which you're loading. If you're planning to bring in both, start with accounts so the related contacts can match cleanly. Click Next, and you'll be prompted to select your CSV file. Make sure your CSV is clean. One header row, no blank columns, and plain text values. The wizard will attempt to auto-map your headers to Salesforce fields. Review those mappings carefully. For accounts, confirm fields like account name, website, phone, and addresses. For contacts, confirm last name, email, and the field you'll use to relate the contact to its account, such as account name or account ID. Fix any unmapped fields by choosing the correct Salesforce field from the drop-down. Next, you'll select your matching criteria to prevent duplicates or to update existing records. For accounts, a reliable approach is to match on Salesforce ID if you have it, or use account name combined with another attribute like website or address. For contacts, email is often the best unique identifier. Choose the option that aligns with your data and whether you're adding new records, updating existing ones, or both. If you're importing both objects, you'll repeat the upload and mapping for the second CSV. After completing accounts, return to the wizard, choose contacts, select your CSV, and map the headers again, ensuring the account lookup is correctly aligned so each contact relates to the right account. When everything looks good, review your mappings one more time, click Next, and then click Start Import. The wizard will queue your job and display status as it runs. If any rows fail, you can download the error file to see exactly what to fix and re-import just those records. That's it. Your accounts and contacts are now on their way into Salesforce, accurately mapped and matched with the Data Import Wizard.